holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, oh, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator. And anyways, happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey, everybody. It's me, Matthew Reinhardt. Welcome to the pop-up studio. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, like I said. I'm a pop-up book creator. I'm a children's book author. I'm a children's book illustrator. I do all kinds of stuff. We do paper craft here. Welcome to my channel. All right, so happy holidays. Happy holidays. It's coming. I got my green dinosaur. That's kind of Christmassy over there, right? No, I don't really decorate my studio that much because there's enough stuff everywhere. Like there's toys and books, and there's pop-up book projects. In fact, we've got a lot of pop-up book projects coming up for the next year. So I'm going to try to make 12 pops of Christmas for you this year. But if I don't, we're going to get close to it. Okay, so cut me a little slack, but we're going to get these out before Thanksgiving, and we're going to get as many as we can out by Christmas so that you can make your very own pop-up cards. And what's cool with these pop-up cards, you can either, send them out. You can make as many as you want for free. Just print them out and build them yourself. Or you can put them together into a giant book if you want to of Christmas pops. You can do whatever you want. So I'm going to give you the key to, I'm not going to give you a key. I'm going to give you the means to make your own pop-up card. And today we are going to make a pop-up card of one of my favorite things to see at Christmas. Reindeer! I love reindeer. They're my favorite Christmas animals. I think they're kind of the only Christmas animals, right? I mean, a snowman isn't really an animal, right? Reindeer! Woo! So we're gonna make a reindeer card. It's really simple. It's just a bunch of V-folds all put together. So we're gonna make this. There's a template down below. You can download it, print it on a cardstock, and we're gonna build it together. We're gonna make our very own reindeer card. And like I said, I'm gonna try to get 12 pops of Christmas this year. Really, we're gonna do it, I think, but we have a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of books actually coming out this year, and there's a lot of books coming out next year, so there's just a lot happening here in the studio. I think I'm going to actually maybe make a video like the making of like some of these pop-ups so that you can see step by step how some of these books are made. We're also going to give you a teaser about some of the books that are just coming out in stores now. They'll be in between all the different steps here that we're making this pop-up. So if you want to check those out, do that as well. I love sharing my work with you all, and I love being able to share these templates with you so that you can make your own pops and you can kind of share the joy I get making pop-ups. You can do that at home as well. So I hope you enjoy making these crafts, and I hope you can share your crafts with the people you love in your family as I hit everything connected to my desk. Look at this. Don't. Anyways, let's get started now. Okay, here are our templates for our reindeer card. Look at that. Really simple, really easy. This one's gonna be a real fun one to make. Now you can make this as a Christmas reindeer, or you could just make this like a beautiful white deer in the winter forest if you don't necessarily celebrate Christmas. So it's pretty simple. It's basically just a bunch of V-folds all working together. So first, we're gonna score using our knitting needle or a large paper clip. We're gonna score which ones? The dotted black lines. And now we're gonna cut out all of the pieces using a craft knife, or you can use very fine scissors or whatever you like, whatever's comfortable for you. Make sure when you use craft scissors, you point away from your hand or fingers or whatever you've got on there because you don't want to cut yourself. I've done that before and it stings. It stings. Anyway, so we're going to cut out all the pieces following the black solid lines. Those are the ones you use to cut out all these pieces. The antlers might take you just a little while. Take your time. What I usually also do is I'll sometimes move the paper so that cutting is a little bit easier. You're not putting yourself in weird positions to cut out things. So we've cut out all the pieces for our pop-up, and we're gonna cut out the base page and the covers for the card. Now, once we've cut out all the pieces, let's pre-fold all those dotted black lines. And it should be super easy to fold because you've already scored everything. So you've told the paper, you've pressed into it, and you've told it, hey, this is the way you're supposed to fold. And it's so much easier after you have scored everything. So we've pre-folded everything. Let's get to assembling. Let's get our just regular craft glue
and start assembling the top. Okay, so this side folds and goes right here, and this side goes right here. And so once we've assembled them into the right position, just like that, we're gonna go on the back side and we're gonna put some glue on these tabs, just like that. Perfect. It's right there. So there's one part of the pop-up, and let's fold it into place. Make sure those antlers stick inside, all right? Make sure everything folds, and that's how it should fold open and close. So that's just the antler part. Press down and let the tabs dry for a bit. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer, Matthew Reinhart, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, don a cowl and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker. Featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page. This hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. Let's glue on now. Let's glue on this leg for the reindeer. There's one leg, just like that. And now these two rounded tabs are going to go into the base page, into these slits. And there's a bent slit and then there's a regular slit. You want to make sure that you don't put the, don't go beyond those dotted lines on those tabs so that it folds and you don't get it caught. There we go, just like that. See how beautiful that is? All right, let's glue on the head. And all we got to do is see these two tabs here? We're going to fold them over like that. Now you can either do it with the lines up or the lines on the reverse side. So here's one tab. We're just going to glue it into place. And then we're going to glue the second one so that the head is going to be sort of a tented V fold at the top. So there we go. And it all should fold in. And you always want to make sure it goes in the right place for the first time you fold it, and let it dry. Fold it and press it flat. And give it a few minutes to just dry in place, and then check it out. Just like that, there's your reindeer. All right, now let's glue on the covers, which is gonna be super easy. We're gonna put a lot of glue on the cover and then kind of spread it. We're gonna spread it around and do the same for the front side and glue that piece on. And you can use any color. If you don't want to use the white, you could use any color for your covers for these cards. And there we go, there's our reindeer card. Let's get to decorating. Woo! I love you very much, dear. Oh, isn't that sweet? What a sweet holiday reindeer. Look at that. So I made one that's a little green. I know reindeer aren't green, but I just thought it'd be kind of fun. So look at that. So that's just one way that you could decorate it. I used markers. You can use crayons. You can use colored pencil. You could print out the reindeer pieces in different colors. You could do whatever you want. It's all up to you. You're the creative person. You're the one that can make it. I just gave you a little, some tips and the templates to make your own so you can make it special. So on your way out, could you do me a favor? Could you hit that like button and also hit subscribe down below? It really helps us with the YouTube algorithms and it gets our videos out there. I really love your feedback. I appreciate what you tell me and I listen. So if you got ideas for future pop-up cards that we should make or pop-up videos I should make, please let me know. Because sometimes I'm out of it. Sometimes I'm completely busy. The holiday times, I'm really very busy in my studio. But if you tell me now, I'll be able to make it in a month or so we can make the pop-ups you want. So I love you all and I appreciate everything you do here on YouTube for me. So this is Matthew Reinhart saying, be kind to a stranger, think creatively, and keep it holiday poppin'. And happy holidays. Ooh, more coming up. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.